Henri de Saint-Simon's ideas in the history of Western thought is conceptualized by many scholars as the precursor for socialism. However, his thoughts are more complicated than that. The restoration of the French monarchy in the early parts of the 19th century is the backdrop of Saint-Simon's views on science, society, and religion. Europe had witnessed the French Revolution and its after effects by this time, and the memory of this event was still ripe. Saint-Simon's opinions were not a reaction to the French Revolution. His opinions assumed the form of a consolidated theory of how society works and the role played by science and religion. He argues that civilization goes through distinct stages and the final stage occurs when science replaces religion. This is not to say that Saint-Simon did not appreciate the importance of religion or that he thought religion was primitive. Rather, he viewed science as the next stage of the religious development. He aspired to create a unified science which will bring together the many sciences and theories. In this regard, Saint-Simon has conceived a utopia where priests are replaced by scientists. He trusted science as a uniform system of beliefs that is perfect and stable, something that religion was not. According to Saint-Simon, the underlying principle of religion is not a unified one. The idea of God lacks unity. The idea of God being thus defective, all applications of this idea are equally defective. Due to its imperfect nature, he was not supportive of inserting the idea of God into science. However, he does say that it should not be used in political matters of any rate for a long time, since it is the best means that has been discovered in managing fundamental political relations. Further, since science was the next stage following monotheistic religion in a system of development, science and religion could not be in opposition to one another. Now let's look at some of his writings more closely.